Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery drain on your POCO M8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the battery settings. So open up the settings on your phone and scroll down until you guys see the battery. It's right here. And here, what you guys want to do is go over and see the active right here. So you'll see which app takes what amount of percentage, and this way you can just click on an app for an example, and for the battery saver you can restrict the background apps for an example. And here you can also force stop the app, but it will misbehave most likely, so it's up to you. What you guys want to do is, of course, uninstall some bloatware. So this phone has a lot of bloatware, like games. For an example, the games that you just don't play, you can go here, click here, and you can uninstall it from here exactly. For example, Block Blast was just uninstalled. You can do that with every other game right here on the device. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over and install the AccuBattery. So go to Play Store, go to search, and type in AccuBattery. Now this will pop up. Ignore the sponsored ones. Go to AccuBattery by Gigabytes, and now click install. Now this should install in less than 5 seconds. Let's click open, and here what we need to do is we need to go over and click continue. Now here we have the battery design capacity, so here you set up the capacity, click finish, and as you guys can see here, we need to scrape it down. Here we also can see the discharge status, like the current one. And here, after we scroll down, we can see the average battery usage. So this is what we can see. We can see how many percent of an hour we get less. And here in the health, right at the bottom, we can see our battery health and estimated capacity. But first, we need to charge it from 5 to 7 times fully. So as you guys can see, a moving average of the last 5 valid charge sessions. So we need 5 charge sessions here, and this will basically tell us our battery health. Of course, you can check the battery health in the settings of your battery, but it's better to see it more accurately. So whenever we go into the battery and we go into the charging options, but in the battery protection, we have the battery info like health, cycles, and cycles we can get it from here, but battery health we can see it exactly in the AccuBattery, so it'll be definitely more precise. Now, after that, if your battery is still draining, then I would recommend going into the authorized company center. So basically, these are maybe overheating issues, and what it can happen basically your phone can drain a lot of battery at the time, and we do not want that. So I would recommend go and checking that out. So that'd be it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.